In this video, I'll show you how to create an automation system that will turn your business website into a topical authority, leveraging tools like Make.com and ChatGPT. You may already know how incredibly powerful it is to create workflow automations to enhance your SEO. This video is specifically about a strategy I use inside my agency to build topical authority for my clients, because obviously SEO always matters, and ranking higher for a broader set of keywords can push you ahead of your competition. What I'm going to show you today can save you a couple hours every time you run the automation, and obviously that accumulates a lot more the more often you do it. My agency builds powerful content automation scenarios inside of Make.com. We really save boatloads of time and money with that, and I'm a massive fan of these content workflows because it allows us to create really specialized inbound marketing content that we can start implementing for our clients in under 2 weeks, which is an incredibly compact time frame. But again, I just want to emphasize that the Make automations are the reasons that we can do that. This video is my approach of teaching for free, so anyone can implement this into your company or for your clients, or as a personal side hustle just to make some money. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize and automate your SEO content and maybe have a higher chance of pushing ahead of your competition or just make some passive income. Click on the navigation bar below to skip forward in the tutorial chapters, or you can read the entire blog post on the website for the full step-by-step. Let's jump in. In this video, I'm going to create the Make automation that is going to turn my profile into a topical authority. I want to become a topical authority on the topic of copy trading. And so I'm going to use the topical authority for SEO GPT generator. I'm just going to put in my keywords and let it go. Then I'm going to take these 20 pillar sub niches, and then I'm going to narrow it down to the ones that I really want to focus on. Then I'm going to take all of this information, I'm going to put it into a spreadsheet, and then I'm going to have a Make automation, take my information, turn it into an article, and then I'll post it onto Medium and update the spreadsheet that it's been completed. To start off with, I have to connect everything up in this new Make account. I have to connect up my spreadsheet, I have to connect my ChatGPT, and I have to connect up Medium. Later, I'll connect up Twitter and LinkedIn and Reddit as well. So I need to create a spreadsheet, and we'll call this one Topical Authority. Freeze the top row, bold, give it an underline, really clears it up really nice. Persona, product, and I also want to track if it's been tweeted. I want the URL, I want to know where it's been shared as well. Insert one to the left. So I want the status here. And the status will start off as pending. And this is what things will look for. And it'll update from there. So I have a list of negative keywords that I'm going to use here, that I'm going to instruct the AI to never use these keywords. So now I can take this, let's see how this goes. All right. So I've got the summary, how copy trading works, detailed explanation of the mechanics behind copy trading, including platforms, processes, and key players. Got 21 articles here, but what I want to have, copy trading for beginners, I want to ask the GPT to expand each heading. Now that we have the comprehensive list, I'm going to start at the top, take all of these, and I'm going to ask a different GPT to give me more detail at the top and see what it does. All right, so I'm going to grab a few of these and put these into the spreadsheet. Now we have little bits of clusters set up, and I want to ensure that we have a steady thing. Now I have 40 articles that I could write all about copy trading. I want to have a short summary for each of these. Now I'm going to teach the GPT to give me some keyword phrases. For the rest of this thread, I want you to respond by providing a list of 14 keyword phrases, each 3 words or longer, purchase intent phrases that cluster around the short summary you'll be provided with. Please provide a comma-separated list each time. I didn't mean to write in please twice. Very good. So now I can just copy this back and forth and fill out my keyword phrases. There, we've moved ahead a bit now. I've got a bunch more data in the spreadsheet, and I've got a few of the posts set at pending, so I have a title, a bit of a summary for it, and then I've taken those summaries and I've gone over to ChatGPT and asked it to give me sets of keywords to go along with these. And it's really great that we go across such a broad range of keyword phrases already. I'm going to start off focusing on BitGet and just using that same link. And I've removed all the negative keywords. Now I want to put in a persona here so that it stays talking with the same voice all the way through these. And I want to look at something that I've already done before so that it stays on message. So what I'll do is to pull up some of the custom profile details I did some time ago, where, let's see what this one says. So, experienced trader, and then has a track record, follows these styles. Very good. So I can grab these and put them in and help tune the article to be spoken in the same voice all the time. Okay, that's good. We'll try that out and see how it goes for a few articles and see how that goes. And now for the automation. One row, we're doing sheet 1, A to Z, filter where status equals pending. All right. Then we want to do a prompt completion. Chapter 4. So I want the system message. You are a creative assistant, specialize in persuasive problem agitate solution framework. Your task is to help users craft articles that identify the problem, emphasize the negative consequences, and present a compelling solution. Ensure the content is clear, concise, resonates with your target audience. Write at a grade 9. 9. In order to get my integration with with Medium, go to settings, go to security and apps, grab the integration token, and then you put that into make.com. And once that token is verified, then I can start getting things set up here now. The markdown language, the title, I'll just take the title right from there then. The content will be from there. The status will be draft. So I have a chance to format and add images. Okay. Paste completion. Let me save this. So I'll have to run one and get all the details so that I can have the details for the spreadsheet. So let's run one. It'll put it into Medium. Let's see. Posted. Okay, it just didn't give me the details that I need. Now I have an email notification at the same time. So yeah, I got an email notification that the draft has been submitted. Now what I can do here is to grab the data that I want to have put in here, the Medium link, the Medium title, which would be the same, and the Medium draft. prompt results. So we'll see how this turns out. Now I want to go into Medium. Let's see how it did. That's great. It's got one link down at the bottom. Absolutely fantastic. It'll take me 2 minutes to put an image in this and have them all scheduled to start going out over time. And so now we have the automation working, where it is grabbing the information from the Google Sheet, it's processing it through ChatGPT, then it's putting it onto Medium and updating our spreadsheet. So the next thing is to be sure it's saved, go to scenarios, and I'll want to run this at regular intervals every 489 minutes. So that's every 8 hours and 9 minutes. So that would be 3 posts per day that this would start to publish. And I would have the 41 posts done in about 10 days, where there's no real followers on this publication yet. Right now we have 5 followers, so that if I'm publishing a bunch of different articles here, it's not going to overwhelm a bunch of different people, but then it's going to give me some really good information that I can put into the copy trading area, and I can switch to doing some different style of articles here instead of just all of copy trading articles. But really good start right now. So as a review, I took my email address that I set up for this special account on medium.com, and I used that email address to create a new free account on make.com. Then I set up the automations so that it's going to draw details from my new Copy Trade Authority spreadsheet that I just made. Then it's going to go into ChatGPT, and there's a system prompt, an assistant prompt, and a user prompt. And I'm really happy with the production, the output that we have for the first article. I'll go in, I'll do the minimum amount of editing as possible, and then I'm going to set it for scheduled publishing. I want to be as efficient as possible and produce as many articles as possible using this automation so that it turns into a revenue stream for me, and that revenue stream then will purchase more automation after that. I'm starting off this experiment with just one referral program, but there are other copy trading platforms that I have a referral relationship with, and I will be doing articles about them and producing things about them as well. The second thing I want to do, in addition to just going hard on all the copy trading articles to become a topical authority on that, I want to start mixing in a whole bunch of different articles about the experience of trading. So I'm super excited about taking some of my old content and having this GPT rewrite it into different ways for me. Now the automation will take the next pending article, it'll grab the title and the summary and the keywords, it'll write an article based on the problem agitate solve article style, and then it'll publish it to Medium with the formatting that I've put into it. And then after it's published, it will update the details here in the spreadsheet. So what I've done, I've published this article, I did the editing and set it up, and I did the publishing, and I have another article that is scheduled to go out in 7 hours from now. So what I'll do is I'll run the process again. So it'll go into the spreadsheet now. It grabs the next pending one, and it'll update the Medium link, the Medium title, and the Medium draft when it's published, and it'll change this to posted. Poof, there we have. So now I have the next draft article in place that I could click on that. It brings me over to the draft, and it's phenomenal. These things really are written well, and it has the link off to the referral link. And then there's the pre-formatted ending on the post. So now it takes me about 10 minutes to go through and format this, and it will slowly work its way through my list of all of these different articles. And now I'm going to go in and put a whole different variety of articles in here, so it's not just doing the same copy trading over and over and over again, but now I'll mix it up with a whole bunch of different promotions inside. And so what I'll end up having now is an author that has two different automations sending into it. The first automation is our pro alerts, and the second automation now will go start writing about referral programs that we could earn some money if people go and sign up through those. I have two different custom publications on Medium that are run by my main account, and then I have this new free account, Alt Season Copilot, that is publishing into these publications. So I don't even have to log into the Alt Season Copilot account because the main account is the editor for each of these publications. The magic of the automation to create all of these articles is phenomenal, and that I can set up a free account on make.com and start publishing articles into Medium. The only thing you need to pay for is a membership with ChatGPT so that you can use the OpenAI API to do all of the writing for you. And that wraps it up for this basic overview of the Make workflow to enhance your SEO to help you become a topical authority on no matter which topic you are. You can follow this very same process. It'll save you boatloads of time and money as well if you set up an automation like this. Follow this process. Get your topical authority research done, find those 20 sub-niches, research your keywords, set up your Google Sheet, put in that negative keyword list, and then just start running that automation on a regular basis. You could do 3 or 4 articles per day, and over a year's period, you could really expand your website. I like to think of this like an upside down umbrella, where the search engine traffic is like the rain falling down from everywhere, and the wider you open up that upside down umbrella, the more of that rain that you're capturing, and you can bring it all down to your lead page where you're going to get people to sign up for whatever your offer is. So thanks again for watching all the way through. I'd really like to hear your success stories and what did you think about this tutorial. Anything else that you would like to see, leave those down below and I'll be creating something like that to answer your questions. Thanks again for being here. Stay safe, everyone. Here's to your success.